Jenny here from Killer Ink, and today we're looking at this honey-scented stencil application solution from Hornet. Hornet is a Spanish company creating sustainable tattoo products, including an aftercare spray, protective tattoo film, and, of course, the Hornet Honey Stencil. One reason why we love Hornet products is that they're made from sustainable ingredients and never tested on animals. Hornet's Honey Stencil solution lives up to the hype, so if you're looking for one of the best tattoo stencil solutions on the market, look no further. Hornet Honey Stencil gives clear, defined lines that won't budge throughout the whole of your tattoo appointment. Plus, it smells delicious. This tattoo stencil solution is super easy to use. Simply apply it to the skin in circular movements, place the stencil and press firmly down, and then give the stencil 10 minutes to set. The results really are impressive, with minimal smudging and blurriness for a long-lasting stencil with crisp lines and definition. This sweet scented solution is available in a 250ml bottle, so why not grab yours today and make tattoo prep even easier? If you've already tried Hornet Honey Stencil, what did you think? Is it as long-lasting as promised? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.